Welcome to this quick walkthrough of the GUI. I'm NewGateNovelist. You should normally just leave the RAM setting at 8, but if you have lots of RAM, you can set it higher. Processing speed will become slower if you go below 8. Click here to load a song you want to grab the max slew rate from. Or click here to load a preset you have already saved, or one of the 2 included presets. With this button, you can save presets you want to use again later. Here you can switch between light mode or dark mode. And here you can save your preferred program settings, so it starts with those next time you open it. Here you select if you want to process a single audio file or a folder with multiple files. Here you choose the single audio file or the folder you want to process. Here you choose the folder where processed files are saved. If a file name already exists, a version number will be added incrementally to each new file, so nothing gets overwritten. Here you select if the measurement should be relative to a song's peak level, or if it should be the absolute slew rate relative to the full dB scale. Choose peak if you're measuring a song that isn't normalized, and ABS if you're measuring a final master. Here you select if the measurement should be applied in stereo, meaning left to left and right to right, or if the highest measurement should be applied equally to both channels. To preserve your own file's stereo image, choose Balanced. Set the oversampling factor here. 1 means no oversampling. Go as high as you have patience for. But beware, every time you double the OS, the processing time will be 4 times longer. This sets the frequency in kilohertz, above which there will be a roll-off of the volume. A lower setting gives a darker sound, a higher setting a brighter sound. The higher you go here, the more aliasing artifacts will come through. When you're ready to begin processing, click here and wait. This window will show a log output. Click the Clear button to clear all text in it. And here you can see a status text that shows various info as you use the program. It's a quick way to see if everything is working or if there is some sort of error happening. And that's it. Happy slew rate limiting. If you discover a bug, feel free to post an issue post on GitHub.